so hot outside. Plus, if there's a storm and there's rain, we're gonna get a freaking tornado. Regardless of well, I never know what to remember whatever. It kind of. Oh wait. Whoa, oh, why is it raining? I know. It's pretty bright, but it's getting dark. It's getting cold.